Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are going to discuss about the questions based on symmetry. The first question, the dotted line in this triangle ABC, this dotted line represents the line of symmetry of the isosceles triangle ABC. This triangle is an isosceles triangle where AB is equal to AC, the side AB is equal to AC. If angle ABC, this angle is 40 degree and this side OB is 4.5 centimeter, you have to find angle BAO. You need to find this angle and also find the measure of OC. Now in this triangle, if this dotted line is the line of symmetry, then these two parts are identical to each other. They coincide with each other. If dotted line is the line of symmetry, we can say that OB is equal to OC because that two parts are identical to each other, so their measurement is equal, and therefore we have find out OC is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Because OB is given 4.5, therefore OC must be equal to 4.5 centimeter. If angle B, this angle ABC is 40 degree, it is given to us, and if this dotted line is the line of symmetry, therefore angle ACB is also equal to 40 degree. Now in this triangle ABC, this angle complete angle plus this angle and this, the three angles of a triangle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So you can write it as angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180, and you have taken out two angles. Angle B is already given 40 degree, C is also 40 degree, and we need to find angle A. 40 plus 40, 80 degree. Then angle A is 180 minus 80 degree, that is 100 degree. You have taken out this complete angle is 100 degree. This complete angle is 100 degree. And if this line is the dotted line, is the line of symmetry that divide this line into two equal parts, and its complete angle is 100 degree, therefore angle BAO is half of 100 degree, that is 50 degree. So we have taken out angle BAO and OC both. Moving to the next question, will a scalene triangle have any line of symmetry? What scalene triangle is? A triangle whose none of the side is equal. All the sides have different measures. So it has no line of symmetry because none of the side is equal. So it has no line of symmetry. Can a right angle triangle have more than one line of symmetry under any circumstances? My dear students, a simple right angle triangle has no line of symmetry. A right angle triangle has only one line of symmetry when it is an isosceles right angle triangle, means these two sides are equal. If it is generally a triangle like I am taking 3, 4, 5, it is also right angle triangle, but it is not an isosceles right angle triangle, so it has no line of symmetry. But in this right angle triangle, when these two sides are equal, if it is an isosceles right angle triangle, it has this one line of symmetry. So under any circumstances, it has none more than one line of symmetry. Only one line when it is isosceles right angle triangle. How many line of symmetry an equilateral triangle have? Equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all three sides are equal, and if all the three sides, it is a regular polygon because all the sides are equal, and regular polygon has that much line of symmetry that the number of the side it has three sides, it means it has three lines of symmetry. Three lines of symmetry. How to draw? Have you observed what I did? I join the vertex to the midpoint. That divides the line, that triangle into two equal parts. So it has three lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry a square have? Square is also a regular polygon. It has four sides. So how many lines of symmetry it has? 4 lines. 2 through the sides and the 2 through the diagonals. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry will a journal quadrilateral? A journal quadrilateral we will take whose none of the side is equal. It is a journal quadrilateral. It has 4 vertices, 4 sides. Quadrilateral is a figure having 4 sides, a closed figure. So this is a journal quadrilateral and it has no line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry will a kite have? I have drawn the kite here. It has 1 line of symmetry. It is generally a rhombus shape, so it has only 1 line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry will an isosceles trapezium? This figure is of trapezium. What trapezium is? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of the side, one pair opposite sides ka one pair that are parallel, not equal, only parallel. These 2 sides of this quadrilateral are parallel, therefore it is a trapezium. Now the next is, what is an isosceles trapezium? When the non-parallel sides are equal. This is an isosceles trapezium. Generally trapezium, the non-parallel sides are not equal. It has only 1 line of symmetry. Only 1 line when it is isosceles trapezium. In only trapezium, it has no line of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry will a regular heptagon have? Before moving to this concept, I want you to show this. Line of symmetry of regular polygon. For the triangle and square we did it earlier. I have told you in a regular polygon, each regular polygon has many line of symmetry as the number of its side. How many side it has? In triangle 3, so it has 3 lines of symmetry. Square, how many sides it has? 4, so it has 4 line of symmetry. Now I am taking this pentagon. A pentagon is a closed figure having 5 sides. So how many line of symmetry pentagon has? 5. Hexagon. Hexagon is a closed figure having 6 sides. So how many sides it has? The number of the line of symmetry will be same. So it has 6 line of symmetry. Now, how many lines of symmetry will a regular heptagon? Only the word regular is there. Only then you can say that it has 7 lines. Heptagon means a closed figure having 7 sides. So it has 7 lines of symmetry. How many lines of symmetry will a regular octagon? 8-sided polygon. Hepta is 7-sided polygon. Octagon is 8-sided polygon. So if it is a regular polygon, it has 8 lines of symmetry.